In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create Doughnut chart in Excel dashboard. A Doughnut chart is a useful visual when you want to show how different categories contribute to a total. In an Excel dashboard, it can help make your data easier to understand at a glance. Before creating the chart, make sure your worksheet is open and that the data you want to visualize is already entered into Excel. For this example, we are going to use the data in columns A and B from cell A1 through cell B4. Start by highlighting the data columns, including the headers, in the range A1 to B4. To do this, click and hold on cell A1, then drag across and down until cell B4 is included in the selection. You should see the entire range A1 through B4 highlighted on the worksheet. It is important to include the headers because Excel uses them to understand the labels and values in your chart. The header in the first column will help define the chart categories, and the header in the second column will help identify the values being displayed. Take a moment to confirm that only the correct range is selected. If you select too much data, Excel may include extra information that you do not want in the chart. If you select too little, the chart may be incomplete or may not display correctly. For a simple Doughnut chart, the selected range should include the category names and the corresponding values. Once the range A1 to B4 is highlighted, you are ready to insert the chart. Next, go to the top ribbon and click the Insert tab. The ribbon is the menu area across the top of Excel, where you can find different tools for working with your worksheet. The Insert tab contains options for adding charts, tables, pictures, and other visual elements. Since we are creating a chart for a dashboard, this is the correct place to go. After clicking the Insert tab, look for the Charts group on the ribbon. This section includes several chart types, such as column charts, line charts, pie charts, and more. The exact layout may vary slightly depending on your version of Excel or the size of your screen, but the chart icons are usually grouped together in the middle area of the Insert ribbon. Now click the Insert Pie or Doughnut chart icon in the Charts group. This icon is used for both pie charts and Doughnut charts, so it may look like a small pie chart symbol. When you click it, Excel will open a drop-down menu showing the available chart options. This menu lets you choose the specific style of chart you want to insert based on the data you selected. From the drop-down menu options, select Doughnut. Once you choose Doughnut, Excel will automatically create a Doughnut chart based on the highlighted data range. The chart will appear on your worksheet, and it will use the selected categories and values to build the visual. This chart can now be used as part of an Excel dashboard to present the data in a clear and visually appealing way. The key part of this process is selecting the correct data first, then using the Insert tab to choose the Doughnut chart type. By following these steps in order, Excel can quickly turn your table into a dashboard-ready visual. And that is all there is to it.